In today's video, I'll teach you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now tap on the option settings that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings and privacy of Facebook. At first, you'll be able to find this section for your account. You can see the option for account center over here. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account center interface. What you have to do is tap on this option, manage accounts, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the accounts linked to your Facebook account. Find the Instagram account that you would like to remove. After you do that, tap on the manage option right next to that particular Instagram account. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option, move out of this account center, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, move account, that you can see on the screen. If you unlink the Instagram account from the Facebook, you won't be able to manage the multiple accounts. You won't be able to log in across the accounts, and you won't be able to share across the profiles. So tap on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to finish moving your account out of the account center. Tap on this option, yes, finish moving. Now you can see over here that particular Instagram account has been removed from the Facebook. That means now it has been unlinked. So that is how you unlink Instagram from Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.